geico.com to see how affordable renter's insurance can be.
I used to be the guy you'd see riding a big old bike down the highway. Don't have that bike anymore. Sold it when I lost my license for riding drunk. It was good, though. Now I'm the guy picking up trash. That's aggressive vest that says community service.
Cops are cracking down on drinking and riding, and they'll see you before you see them. Ride so or get pulled.
Wait, Mom. Does the car seats lead into the engine? Do the car seats get into the engine?
American Standard, having highly trained and educated dealers is a priority. Air conditioning and customer care dealer to help you find the most effective and efficient system for your home every step of the way. For clean, comfortable air year-round, call us today. 765-6281. Hostetler Energy Systems, specializing in home comfort.
Hi, this is Sandy.
She doesn't feel safe in there. She makes her scream more.
Solo portable and easy to use. We're located at the Lift Avenue, which is 4 miles northwest of Greentown at Crossroads 800 East and 400 North in Howard County. Our office hours are Monday to Friday, 8 to 5, and 8 to noon on a Saturday, and our office is closed on Sunday. 765-628-7091 or 800-896-1050. 25 gas per refills, 1028 plus tax. That can change without notice. All in all, life is good and God is great.
Whoa, it's the Sprinter.
Sasspod, what are you doing here, little guy?
I want to hear about the remarkable new 9.7-inch Apple iPad.
It's so great. The new iPad is like a computer, but also completely unlike any computer.
Whoa, true duality.
Pretty cool, huh?
And it works with Apple Pencil?
Yeah, and this weekend only when you switch to Sprint Unlimited Plus, with all the features you love for a price you love, you'll also get a new ad on Sprint.
On Sprint is awesome, baby. Let's tell as many humans as we can.
This weekend only switch to Unlimited Plus from Sprint. You'll get a brand new iPad on us. Sprint.com/promotions or call 1-800-SPRINT1. Offer coverage not available everywhere. Requires new license. Third activation fee, speed maximums, use rules and restrictions apply. iPad on us after $100 via MasterCard prepaid reward mailed after 60 days.